Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive on Louisiana Highway 19, beginning at the northern town limits of Slaughter, Louisiana, in East Feliciana Parish. Slaughter has an estimated population of 961 people as of 2016 and received the designation of a town in 2002. In Slaughter, LA-19 takes the name of East Railroad Avenue, named for the nearby railroad tracks owned by Go-Go Railroad, originally part of the Illinois Central Network. We leave Slaughter and East Feliciana Parish and enter the city of Zachary in East Baton Rouge Parish. Zachary has an estimated population of 16,760 as of 2016, a growth of 12% since the 2010 census. Zachary has an area of 23.96 square miles and an elevation of 102 feet above sea level. We enter the small city of Baker, Louisiana, which has an estimated population of 13,628. As can be seen on the right, Baker is known for its photo-enforced speed limits. Don't speed through here. I say this based on personal experience. Just don't do it. We leave Baker and enter the Scotlandville neighborhood of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Scotlandville is home to Southern University, Baton Rouge Metro Airport, and East Baton Rouge Parish Prison. You can speed here, and you'll probably want to, and don't pick up any hitchhikers. We conclude today's drive at US Highway 61 Scenic Highway. I would like to give a huge thank you to our 1,000 subscribers. It really means a lot to us that you watch. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. Share and follow us on social media. It's been fun interacting with so many of you, and I can't wait to see who will join us in the future. Thanks again, and we'll see you on our next 504 road trip.